Today we are graphing proportional relationships. A proportional relationship between two quantities is when the two quantities vary directly to one another. As one quantity changes at a constant rate, the other quantity changes at a constant rate. Another way to define this relationship is direct variation. Examples. Gasoline costs $2.88 per gallon. So for the first gallon, it's $2.88. Second gallon is $5.76. Third gallon, $3.64. 4 gallons is $11.52. What would the cost of 0 gallons cost? $0. The car travels at a constant rate of 70 miles per hour. The first hour, they've traveled 70 miles. 2 hours, 140. 3 hours, 210 miles. And 4 hours, 280 miles. How far does the car travel at 0 hours? 0 miles. Okay, so I guess we should have the $sign here and the miles label here. All right. Easy enough so far, right? Okay, so we're going to graph the proportional relationships from our previous page. Okay, so the effect of gallons on the total cost. So it was $0. We're going to make life easy, and we're going to go up by $2.88. Not that this would be the way you always do it, but in this case, it makes our life easier, our graph nicer. Okay, so I'm going to pause it so you guys don't have to waste your time with all this. So there's what that graph looks like. We'll go ahead with the next one, and again, it starts at $0, or 0 miles traveled for 1 hour. You know what? I forgot to label this one. This should be my gallons. And this over here is my cost. This one, we're going to have, let's see here, I've got 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. And this is my hours. And this is my miles traveled. Okay, and again, I'm going to make my life easy. 70, 140, 210, and 280. So again, so I'll pause it while I connect. Now, because of the way I chose to do my lines with counting by my 70, 140, 210, and my 288, 576, 2864, these lines look identical. But the similarities, requirements present in these two proportional relationships here when they are graphed. They go through 0. And in this case, really, they start at okay, and they have a constant rate. And the term we used on this page was a direct variation, right? Constant rate of change, direct variation. So direct variation. Okay? All right. Determine if the tables display proportional relationships. So, we just looked at that, the requirements for that. So here, we're going up by 50, right? If I went down here, 50, would this be 0? Yes. And it has a direct variation and 0, 0. Okay? All right, let's look at the next one. And, oh. So we're supposed to graph this, sorry. Helps if I don't have a thing on it. Sometimes this is the green shade. So, again, 0. And if I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, I can see if I went up by 50, 100, because I'm going up by 50s, 150, 200, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a straight line. So the slope of the line would be 50 over 1. And the equation of the line would be y equals, so think of mx plus b. My b would be 0, so it would be 50x. Okay? Remember, y equals mx plus b is the slope, is our equation for finding a line, equation of a line. B is our y-intercept, m is our slope. We find slope by rise over run. So to find this, I go up 50 and over 1. Okay? I know we only, in the graph, it looks like we went up 1, but our interval is 50. Okay? Let's look at this one. So, okay, this one we just had the graph, the table. So we're going in change of 40. Here we have a change of 40. Here we have a change of 60. So no direct variation. Okay? And next one, for the following tables, determine if they show a proportional relationship. If yes, graph that relationship and then write the equation of the line. All right, let's go this way. So we can focus on just one. All right. So here we have a change of 45. Here, 45. Here, 45. If I went down here, I would have 0, 0. Okay, so yes. So if I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 45, 45, 9, I don't know why that moved. 90, 135, 180. Okay, those are kind of close. So anyway, I'm going to look like, right? So I've got my straight line. That's what it looks like. Next one, let's change the colors. Okay, so from here to here, I have 45. From here to here, I do not have 45, that's for sure. 135 minus 85 is 50. And then from 135 to and then from here to here, I have a difference of 55. So we are going up by increments of 5, which means we do not have a direct variation. Okay, so we do not need to graph this one. That is it. We are finished. If you have questions, please see me, and I'll be happy to go over things with you. But of course, remember, you can always go back and look at a different part once you get your notes down. Okay? Hope you enjoyed our lesson.